Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. I'm about to make fried pork chops. I haven't had these in ages. So it's 4 in here. I'll probably eat one, then eat another one maybe for lunch. But I'm finna season it, you guys. So, black pepper. So how you like it's about to rain again. It rained on and off, on and off. So, and it's supposed to be a parade downtown today. So, hope it works out for them. Garlic salt. I got another one up in here. I'll be glad when I be off for the summer, you guys. I got lots of stuff that I need to do and gotta do. Okay. Garlic powder. So, this is for dinner. Massage your meat real good, you guys. I haven't had pork chops in years. Okay. Last and not least, onion powder. Boop. This onion powder make your house smell so good. Okay, here's my flour. I'm finna season my flour with a little smoked paprika. A little bit more onion powder. A little bit of salt. See you guys. So, I will be back when my grease is really, really hot. Okay, you guys, my grease is hot. And I done put my flour on these chops. So, then you shake off all the excess. And you don't want all of that in there. After I cook these, I can be able to sit my butt down. And that's fine. I will be back later. Okay, you guys, my first 2 pork chops is hot out the grease. Now I'm just waiting for my sides to get ordered and my other pork chops to cook. The other ones in the grease. My sweet potatoes here. And my Knorr's rice here. If you guys can see it. I don't know, can you see it in there? Okay. So, here's my pork chops again, you guys. And I thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.